No.
Oh!
This is my MR1. E-MR1.
Let's get a close-up of that. Yeah. Oh man, look at that.
And I'm going to show you what it does.
Yeah.
Gotta put some balls in it first.
Dude, where are you shooting? Dude, wait! It's going so fast I can't see it! Shoot on a tree where it's like nothing on there because I can't even see it.
And that's what this gun does. That was...
Man, Spencer's gonna get a whole bunch of shit over there.
That was 200 balls in less than 30 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. Now I'm going to show you our homemade course. Here, hold my gun. You got one little barrier here. You know, it's kind of sexy. You know, it has little peek holes in it. Don't you dare shoot that at me.
Is this on safety?
Is there a light on here?
No.
Well,
that's safety?
Yeah. You have another barrier here. Asshole number 1. That's asshole number 2. Yeah! Come on, Jeff, stop. There's one barrier. You got some other barriers. As you can see, they are highlighted in pink. As you can see, you got many cover here. I mean, you got some asshole's house over there, some fucking rich guy's house over there. And here's the owner of the asshole. Here's the Bigfoot running. Here's Chef.
Bait.
And yeah. I mean, you got a lot more courses back there. Got some hideouts that we didn't get to yet. So, E-MR1.
2, 3, 4.
There you go. Yeah. Third shot. As you can see, oh, he stood it up. Oh, he knocked it over.
My turn to do the axe.
There we go. First shot. That is what I am talking about. That's the accuracy. He hits it again. Ah.
Yeah, that's it.
You're close.
G of Andrew Perlak.
Sucks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh.
Nice.
Yeah. Doesn't know. Oh yeah.